Introducing the Yeedi by ECOVACS robot vacuum and mop with the revolutionary self-emptying station, a 3-in-1 cleaner equipped with smart mapping technology for maximum cleaning efficiency. The Yeedi Vac Station boasts a sleek, slim, and efficient design, making it the ultimate cleaning companion for your home. Powered by advanced visual navigation technology, it accurately maps every floor, effortlessly navigating sharp turns, narrow spaces, and hard-to-reach places to ensure no speck of dust or dirt is left behind. With a powerful 3,000 PAR suction, intelligent mopping capabilities, and a self-emptying system, this vac station takes floor cleaning to the max. Its ultra-slim design allows it to glide around furniture, easily access hard-to-reach areas, and navigate narrow spaces for a thorough cleaning experience.